Hi back. Throughout this session, we're gonna move step-by-step guide to download Power BI desktop. So from Microsoft website, you have to go to Power Platform page, and from there you can find the list of the products in this Power Platform, starting from Power BI, Power Apps, Automate, Page, and Copilot Studio. We will go to Power BI, and from this list, we're gonna choose the second one, Power BI desktop, which it will navigate us to another page with the name Power BI Desktop. Here you can download from this button, which it will take you to Microsoft Store. Like Google Play and App Store, you can find the application over there. So you're gonna click on Open Microsoft Store, which it will open for me a new window and have here the Power BI Desktop. All you're gonna do is just click download and start by right click and run by administrator and next till the end. And after that, once it's fully downloaded, you can open the version of Power BI desktop. In this session, we will continue by importing our first Excel together and have something like this, which we're gonna work together on it. But before anything, we're gonna go and open a new file, and from new we can have a super fresh new file to start from it. Once it's open, you can find here have this interface, call it Power BI desktop, and here you can start directly by fetching data from any data source, or you can collaborate and share with different users or members inside your organization. But I don't want this interface for now. I'm gonna close it, and here you're gonna start from this part. You can import the data from Excel directly once you click on this, or import data from SQL server, or you can even paste the data into a blank table or try a sample semantic model. If you click on this icon or in this link, it will open for you like 150 data sources, all of them categorized based on different data sources. Start from file, database, Microsoft Fabric, Power Platform, Azure, and much more. But before we're gonna go with the get data, as you can see that Power BI desktop, it's a free standalone version of Power BI. It's gonna enable you to connect to a different data source and transform it to one data source, and even clean the data, visualize the data, create interactive dashboard and reports. Even you can share this report with different users. In next session, we will start by importing data from Excel.